This is the round element I made following this pattern. Let's make Christmas ornament cover using this element. To begin, you will need seed bead size 11. Using right angle weave, make a chain consisting of 27 units. If you need help learning this stitch, visit my website svetlana.gallery. I have diagrams and written tutorials for you. I'm going to connect the first unit with the last one, creating the 28th unit in between them. Here is our ring. Now you will need seed bead size 15. Add one seed bead in between each right angle weave unit on one side of the ring. Let's connect all 4 round elements with the ring we've just made. First, let's check if the ring fits the Christmas ball I chose. Oh yes, it fits. Next, you will need bugle bead size 1 and 3mm bicones. String 3 seed bead size 11, 1 bugle bead, again 3 seed beads, 1 bicone, 3 seed beads, 1 bugle bead, and again 3 seed beads. Next, enter the round element going through the one of the fire polish beads of the element. Then stitch through the next group of seed beads and the following fire polish bead of the element. Repeat stringing same group of beads to create the second connection. Count 6 right angle weave units of the ring and stitch through the bottom bead of the 7th unit. Next, add another group of the same beads to create the connection for the second round element. Make another connection and then count 6 units. And stitch through the 7th one to attach the second element. Connect the remaining 2 elements in a similar way. Let's see how does it look on a ball. Now I will stitch through the 3 seed beads and 1 bugle bead to prepare for the next step. String 3 bugle beads, 1 3mm fire polish bead and 3 more bugle beads. Stitch through the bugle and seed beads and you created the second connection inside the first one. Pull slightly to make sure everything looks okay. Done! I added 4 of them. Now I'm going to add more details to this design. I will stitch through the beads and the round element to prepare for the next step. But before we continue, make sure you have enough thread. To continue, make sure your needle and thread exits this fire polish bead. String 3 seed beads size 11, 1 bugle bead and 3 more seed beads. Stitch through the bicone. String 3 seed beads, size 11, 1 bugle bead, 3 seed beads, and then Ginko bead. Next, you will need a faceted crystal drop bead. I used the 12mm one. Now, string 9 bugle beads, 1 seed bead size 11, 1 crystal drop bead. You might want to add more seed beads to this and make it look longer and possibly much better. It's up to you. Pick up the crystal, string 1 seed bead size 11 and 2 bugle beads. Stitch through the third bugle bead and string 6 more bugle beads. As you see, I did not add 1 seed bead before stitching through the Ginko bead, because I wanted to show you how you can make this element shorter or longer, or more flexible by adding seed beads. Now I repeat stringing beads for the other part of the connection, same as you see on the other side. Then I enter the bicone and string same group of beads I selected for the other side. Three seed beads, 1 bugle and 3 more seed beads. Next, I stitch through the part of the round element until I reach the necessary location. I have to go through 8 fire polish beads, and then I start making the second long element connection between round elements. they are, all 4. Done. Let's see how it's going to look on the ball. The round elements need to be more attached to the design, I think. You can stop here or add more beads between the round elements. It's up to you. I'll continue. Stitch through the beads of the round element until you reach the fire polish bead right next to the one you have started building the previous connection with. String 3 seed beads, 2 bugle beads and 3 more seed beads. Then count 3 bugle beads from the top base of the long element and stitch through the next 2. String 1 seed bead size 11 and then stitch through 2 bugle beads on the other side of the element, repeating all the steps in the opposite direction. Continue adding connections until you finish all 4 of them. Let's see how it looks. This is just an idea how to use this round element. It's quick and easy pattern. Thank you for watching and enjoy your holidays.